Hey friends, it's Trisha from Freedom Hill. Today I'm going to give you a look at my laundry closet. I went from having a laundry room to a laundry closet. So I had to work to really maximize the space, and I didn't want it to look cluttered and busy, but I wanted to be able to do laundry comfortably. So I've done a few things that really help out. So let's get started and just look at these things, and I can show you what I did. First of all, the house is a rental, and the laundry closet came with all these beautiful shelves. So I utilized them to not only store laundry things, but I have a hair cutting kit, extra paper towels. I have some things like my canning jar lids are on the top there, way up there. And these are things that I have to have a chair to reach them, but that's okay because I don't access them that often. There's some paper plates and paper cups and plastic forks and knives that we probably use, in the summer when we have picnics and things. So I really like that shelf. It's very deep. It's like 18 inches deep, and it holds a lot of stuff. So I'm really thankful. And I have a little shelf divider there that paper towels are sitting on top of, and you can see how well that works out to maximize that space. On the next shelf, I have, this white bin contains all my dust rags, and I use that quite often, that I can reach it if I tiptoe and stretch. Whatever I can't reach in here, I do keep a pair of tongs. Here we go. I keep a pair of tongs in my laundry room at all times to help me reach things. But on that shelf, I have some, like I said, my dust rags, a few other things. This is my daughter's laundry stuff, and that's just random household supplies in there. I have dry cleaning things, laundry samples, dryer sheets, hair cutting, and then I keep my Swiffer liquid over there. On the next shelf, I have lined up some Febreze spray for fresh air. These are the mop heads to my dust mop, and then I keep some other dusters in there. This is the charger and accessories to my vacuum cleaner. This little container just has some random laundry things and also some extra trash bags. I keep my laundry shout out and the different things that I use for laundry there. I always empty my laundry pods into this container. I keep vinegar and Clorox right there, and I keep extra Ziploc bags and extra garbage bags in the back there, as you can see. I have a little trash can here I keep this little trash can here because it's convenient for throwing away the dryer lint and other things that might come up. I just usually keep my dryer balls there because I use them every day but Friday, so I just keep them on top, and on Wednesday or Thursday I take them out. I usually use them Thursday morning, but sometimes I don't. Anyway, and I keep a lamp here because even though there's a ceiling light in this closet, there's no switch to turn it on, so I don't know what's up with that. But a lamp kind of looks cute there, and I like it. As you can see, the washer and dryer fit very snugly in there, but you see no laundry basket. That's because I have a collapsible laundry basket. Let me show you. I can raise that up. It collapses flat, so I can store it down there. And so that's very cool. My husband put the hanger for my vacuum cleaner over here, so it hangs there. And like I said before, the charger is on the shelf. I keep a tiny broom up there just for small spills or crumbs or something, and that's convenient. And then on the doors, I utilize the doors totally to save space. I have a rack that holds my iron and my ironing board. I have just a small one, not a full-size ironing board. And I kind of hang my duster sideways there where it fits. So that really saves space, and the door closes easily, even though that's hanging here. So I use it mainly for sewing projects I need to iron. And on the other door, I also use that door. I bought an over-the-door hanging rack for the days when I'm doing laundry and I want to hang my clothes after they come out of the dryer, or sometimes I let them drip dry so they hang here, and that's very convenient. It holds quite a bit. And again, the door shuts just fine with that there. So that's kind of an overview of my laundry closet. I scoot back here and get a bigger view of the whole thing. This sits right off my eat-in kitchen, and it's very convenient. And quite frankly, I don't miss having a laundry room. This is a very good space, and I'm very thankful for it. Thanks for coming along to Freedom Hill. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.